just fine. This is an emergency. Please send a doctor right away.